What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today, I'll be doing another brief update on the whole broad cryptocurrency market to see how we're doing. As we know, today is the final week of 2022. So let's see what the cryptos are doing. Also, giving you another brief update on the price chart of Evergrow coin. Are we still trading in that channel that I've been trying to cover for the past couple of days? What's going on? Also, we're going to be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also going over a Bitcoin rainbow chart just to see how how Bitcoin is doing currently. All that and more in this video. But before we get this video started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload videos just like this every single day involving the cryptocurrency market. So if you enjoy learning about new cryptos and at the same time making money, subscribe to the channel and join the family. With that being said, let's get this video started. So right off the back, like we always do in all my videos, let's see how the global crypto market cap is doing. We're currently almost at a 2 trillion yet again on the global crypto market cap, up 4%. Bitcoin up 2.7%, struggling to stay above 42,000, but it's at least flatline, at least for today. Ethereum currently up 4%, but still hasn't been able to cross over 3,200 just yet. Still currently trading right under 3,200. Binance Coin currently is up 4%, but trading right at 440. Solana up 6% today. And Cardano up another 3.7% one for today. And see Dogecoin still trading around 15 cents, and Shiba still trading around 28.67. So honestly, not much change the past couple days. As we know, the beginning of 2022 hasn't been a great year to start for the broad cryptocurrency market. As we know, as like the top 20 cryptos has been getting hit pretty hard the beginning of this year. I already covered why. Lots of fear, lots of uncertainty and doubt. Hopefully in the next couple of days and weeks coming up, we'll get most of that cleared up. But for now, still trying to maintain these levels. But now let's go into Evergrow coin to see how Evergrow coin is doing and if we are still on track for a run later on. So as we have been covering Evergrow coin, I've had these lines drawn here like for a very long time, so I haven't moved these lines. I haven't made new lines or anything. This is currently have I had this set up for a while now. And what's more important is we have still respected the support line of 1193. Yes, we have had a couple dips underneath the support line briefly, for example here and here, but the price has maintained above it and has stabilized above the support line. Obviously, it would be amazing if we could start seeing movement to the upside, but we already know the beta test of Crater is getting tested now. There are people now testing the beta version of Crater. Hopefully we get access to Crater, and we do. I'll make sure I share all the best information on Crater for you guys. But right now there's really no news, nothing big that might be pushing Evergrow coin to the upside until Crater gets released. So this sideways trading is actually good for Evergrow coin. It means it's stabilizing the price. It's meaning a phase to accumulate more EGC coins. Obviously, I'm not advising you to buy any coins because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and educate people. But in my opinion, this sideways trading, especially respecting this bottom support line of 1193, is just meaning for me to buy more EGC coins to accumulate the most I can until we inevitably get that massive run to the upside once everything lines up how we want it. So what can we expect for Evergrow coin tomorrow, the next couple days? Well, we'll be just trading, staying above 1193 and below 1495. That's where I can see Evergrow coin still being traded at least before Crater gets released to the public. Well, that's it for Evergrow coin. But now let's look at this Bitcoin rainbow chart I have here. So this right here, don't really like focus too much about it, how accurate this is. This is just like a idea to kind of show you the different levels that Bitcoin has been going over the past couple years. Currently we're right here, which is right at the a light green area, which means it's still cheap. But obviously, take all this what it says up here as a grain of salt. This is not really concrete or anything. This is just to give you an idea of what Bitcoin is doing. And right here, all of these lines where it says halving is about every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving stage, which cuts its Bitcoin in half, meaning the miners receive half amount of Bitcoin once they do the Bitcoin mining. So currently, it's been maintaining this lower yellow level towards this orange level. We haven't seen it gone just yet to where it says it's a bubble territory or it's like super overbought or anything. As you can see, every time it's had this halving right here, it has crossed over the red, which is pretty much signaling it's a good time to sell. But like I said, take this as a grain of salt. This isn't really that accurate, but it's just to give you a picture in your head of what Bitcoin is doing and what these prices means currently. And so far after the halvings, we have seen massive run-ups towards the upside, and eventually goes to like a crypto winter. Another halving happens, runs up, and then it comes back down and kind of settles down like it's a crypto winter. Then so far the last halving we had was in 2020, which was that's been 2 years ago. So currently we haven't seen that massive run up just yet, even though I know a lot of people out there says we hit $67,000 on Bitcoin. But according to the Bitcoin rainbow chart, we haven't really hit the bubble territory. So what does this mean? Well, we still have another 2 more years until the next Bitcoin halving. What does this mean? From previous halvings, like I've been showing you, we have crossed to the red territory, which is the massive bubble territory. So far, we haven't seen it here. And if we do end up seeing it either this year or next year, and if it does reach to these levels where we had it before from the previous halvings, we can indeed probably see Bitcoin, let's say, around 129,000. And that's like at the lower end of the yellow. So that's what I'm saying. Take this as a grain of salt. Because if you look up here, if you go all the way to the red territory, you're talking about Bitcoin at a $222,000 Bitcoin. So like I said, take these prices for a grain of salt, but it just gives you an idea of what Bitcoin could possibly do in the future. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff that has to happen in order for Bitcoin to even hit $100,000. Obviously, what can trigger Bitcoin to hit $100,000 this year is if the SEC agrees to a full ETF for Bitcoin, not a futures ETF, which we got last year, but a actual Bitcoin spot ETF that will probably automatically make Bitcoin shoot up to $100,000. That's just my opinion, obviously, but that's what I think can happen. So that's enough for Bitcoin. And then right before we end this video, let's see what Ethereum is doing. Because I don't really track Bitcoin as much. I track more Ethereum. Because usually Ethereum does exactly what Bitcoin does. And right now we're on WEBULL, which I do use a lot for trading. Because I do trade stocks. Also, comment down below if you want to see me trade stocks. Maybe I can make a video. There's a couple stocks that I'm looking this week to probably do some swing trades. Doing a special strategy that I've been trying to implement, and it actually seems like it does work. So comment down below if you want to see that, and I could possibly make a video on that. But right now, Ethereum's trading. It's trading right at 3,200, which is a good sign. As you can see, this red line was my bottom level support, which I've had drawn for a while. And seems like it did bounce off, so we did hit a bottom right nearly like at 29.85, around 3,000. Currently we are above this level of 3,096. Currently it's trying to stay above 3,200. I guess we'll see how the day plays on, because this is in the 1 hour. Let's see what's it doing in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we did get a massive green candle and close above this resistance line. So hopefully this can yet again become another support line. And then from there, obviously what we need to see is Ethereum to start climbing back up to its 4,000 levels. That way we can see more momentum in Ethereum and all these other altcoins. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy. Nice quick video. Subscribe down here. Go watch that video coming up next, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.